Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cleaning my Alcantara steering wheel from my 1 Series, and it's off the car because it's going to be much easier to show you how to clean the surface of the steering wheel and film at the same time. As you can see, the steering wheel does have like oil and dirt residue on it, which we're going to be cleaning, and what we're going to use to clean the Alcantara is the Sonax Alcantara cleaner. I'm going to link it down in the description below, but this does actually work, so we're going to be using this. Another tool we need is like a toothbrush or any type of brush that's pretty gentle that won't damage the Alcantara. You can use that, and then a clean microfiber towel to clean off all the contaminants that we're detaching from the surface of the Alcantara. So now let's get into the actual detail of the steering wheel. Okay, so the first step is taking this and actually shaking it up well before spraying down the steering wheel. Next step is vacuuming and trying to get as much dirt off from the steering wheel before starting to clean it. And then what we want to do is on the back side, we want to test out and see if the Alcantara cleaner is actually working and not damaging the surface of the steering wheel. So what we're going to do is spray a little bit right here. And then we're going to use a brush and we're going to rub it in a circular motion and see what it does to the Alcantara steering wheel. The next step would be to leave it to sit out with the cleaner rubbed in for about 5 to 10 minutes and then wipe it down with the microfiber towel to see how it's turning out. Okay, so from the quick test I did on the steering wheel on this portion right here where it's not visible, nothing is getting damaged, and when we wipe it, it is removing dirt from the steering wheel, so that's a good sign. So yeah, now we can proceed with cleaning the entire steering wheel. Another thing is you want to have, when you're cleaning the steering wheel, a damp microfiber towel and washing it in between. So when you're doing portions of it, rinsing out all the contaminants from the towel and then continuing to wash it off until there's no more dirt coming off of the steering wheel. So yeah, we're gonna start to clean the back side first, and then we're gonna flip it over and clean the front side of the steering wheel. Alright, so we're back with a clean microfiber towel that is slightly damp, and we're going to be using it to wipe off all the excess cleaner from the steering wheel and all the dirt. Okay, so just finished cleaning off all the residue. This is how much dirt was on the steering wheel after we used the cleaner on it. It's slightly damp right now, so I'm gonna let it dry before touching it or handling it again, just to prevent any more dirt accumulating on the steering wheel. Now that the steering wheel has been cleaned, it is looking like brand new. Like honestly, I did not believe it was gonna look this good, but all the contaminants were removed from the steering wheel and it became a lot darker. So it's like a much more pure black color now instead of like a grayish color with like a lot of like stains in the material. Also, I wanted to mention that this is not a sponsored video by Sonax. I found the product online, used it, and love the quality that comes out of it. So like it really does clean the product like it's supposed to. I'm gonna give you guys some quick detailed shots of the steering wheel and how clean it is now. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe because it does help the channel a lot. Thank you for tuning in and see you next time.